How to delete Ulta Beauty account. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial, I will teach you how to delete your Ulta Beauty account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can download Ulta Beauty application on Google Play Store and App Store, or you can visit the website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see right here, I'm going to go to the Ulta Beauty website. I'm going to search Ulta Beauty on Google and go to their website right here. And as you can see, I'm just going to log in with my account. And after logging in, I will click this button right here in the top left corner. And I will click this one that says my name. So, hi, Andrews. And after I click that, as you can see, these options will appear. And I will just need to click manage account in order to go to my profile settings. But as you can see, if I go to my profile settings, there's no actually option that lets me delete my account. So apparently in the latest update, you cannot delete your account. So the only way to delete your account is by contacting the Ulta Beauty customer service. And by doing that, just click edit on your personal info. And if you click that, these options will appear, and you just need to scroll down until you find all of these numbers or a phone number that you can call in order to, call personally the customer service of Ulta. And you can also chat with the specialist online if you want. But yeah, this is where you will address your problem. And if you want to delete your account, just ask them how to, and they will tell you how. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can delete your Ulta Beauty account. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.